Hello, Leslie here with my July monthly plan with me and my Erin Condren. So I am using a sticker kit from Plannersisterstickers to go ahead and film this. I did go ahead and stick down the date dot covers, although I was short one. It stopped at 30, so I just took a red pen and wrote in 31. So I know it's maybe a little bit smaller than the rest, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and lay these stickers down, and then we'll kind of get creative with some of the deco, I think. Then I did grab some washi tape. I don't know why I pulled this off first. We all know that I need to stick these down first. I am so funny. Goodness sakes. Okay, so I hope you guys all did have a lovely 4th of July or Canada Day and both. So I hope that was going good for you. I will say the day that I'm filming this is National Hot Dog Day, and there is a sticker for that in this monthly kit. I thought that was funny. I love silly holiday sticker kits. I think they're really funny. There is a sheet, I think, in one of my Happy Planner sticker books that has like silly holidays. Now, I could have used, there was also this one as well to go down here, but I decided not to use that one. I saw the boxes and I really like the different patterns and chunks. So that is what I went with, but I think there's a couple different ways that you could use this spread. I'm wondering if I can I just line it up with the top here and it not hang off? Yeah, it won't. Okay, good. All right, so we're just gonna line this up with the top of these stickers. Probably go down just a little bit because I went a little lower on those other ones. That's okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, good. Because remember when I did the other monthly, I realized I stuck the wrong sheet down and the wrong thing. Oh, this has a lovely basket of flowers as well on this one. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow the line of that blue on this side. Yep, that works. And then they went ahead and put monthly on that one, so that one's kind of fun. Okay, there are some silly holidays and regular holidays. So there's Canada Day, which you can go ahead and put in on July 1st, which is nice because it's not in the planner. And I think it was Miranda and I were talking about it. We're like, why is that not in planners? Why is it not there? I don't know. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put Independence Day in here, even though that one is already in here. Okay, and then National Hot Dog Day is today, the day I'm filming this, which I do use this planner for my YouTube channel. I usually just write in what shop I featured and what kind of video it was. So this one, I looked it up. It's 4/17. This one is World Emoji Day. I use emojis. I know you guys do because sometimes I see them in the comments or in posts on Instagram. So what is your favorite emoji? My favorite emoji. Ooh, what is my favorite emoji? That's a good question. I think my husband and I were just talking about this. I think my favorite emoji is the one with the smiley face with the hearts all around it. I don't know what that one is called. It's like they feel so loved or something. I don't know. That's what it makes me think of. Okay, I'm just going to stack these on top of each other and then we'll kind of see how it ends up being. I think last time I thought I needed headers in between, but I think that gap right there is actually for the header. So I need to not mess it up. Let's not. Am I getting that straight on there? Can't quite see it. I hope so. I think I'm good. This one's just white. And then that one's green. Green is an interesting color to incorporate, but I feel like there's a lot of green with the florals over here, so I think that's a good contrast color. Yeah, so if you use all of these, it completely fills this up. Now, I might not use all these boxes. I went ahead and laid them down. You can see how that works out, but I'm probably going to go ahead and use that area for deco as well. So I really like this little barn. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick this right here. And then the truck is really awesome as well. I want to put down, I think I'm just going to go low with the deco here. And then if I end up having videos on that day, then it will be fine. I can just put them in later. So I'm going to put some roses on this one. Oop, can't grab it. There we go. And I definitely want that little puppy dog because it looks like my puppy dog. I'm going to decorate this box with the puppy dog though. I think that's a good pop of color right there. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and put the flag on Independence Day. I think that looks good. And then Canada Day is all red and white. We'll just go ahead and put some red and white roses. Should I layer that in front? Yeah, I think that looks good. We'll put that one like that one for Canada Day. So I hope you guys like that one. My Canadian friends. Okay, and then I have one more blue rose. Let's go ahead and stick that one on here because it's kind of, there's like more space over here. I think that'll be good. All right, so we use those up, and then the quarter boxes, that's what I use for like filming videos. So for example, today, what video went up? My Erin Condren? No. My Happy Planner video went up, and I used the Happy Planner sticker book. So I would just write that in, that it was a Happy Planner HP plan with me, and then I write HP sticker book. Sticker book. I hope that makes sense. So that's usually what it ends up looking like. I'll flip back to June so you can kind of see. I think I finished filling it out, so I think it'll be good. Payday and bill due, I don't really put in the spread. And then the one here, I could put to do, because there's always stuff to do. This usually ends up being a to do for Etsy though, not YouTube. So we'll see. All right, and then there's to purchase. Sometimes I buy stuff for the channel, but most of the time it's me buying stuff for Etsy. And then there's next month, many things. Schedule, spending bills, homework. I guess I'll go next month. Like what I need to be working on for next month, maybe. Or like design ideas for next month for flips or what have you. Okay, so I didn't use that part at all. There is some washi in here as well. We could use some of that. Just snip it down. Put this one over here. You can use these to do like special dates and things. I'm just going to decorate with them. I think that will be fun too. Okay, we'll put this one down here. I think that looks good. Yeah, we'll do that one as kind of a bottom washi right there. And then that one's the same as that one. I think I'm good. I think I'm just going to leave those behind. And then I'll put in the quarter boxes as needed, I think, is what's going to end up happening. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think it is. I'm going to go ahead and grab my clips. I think I like the stars, even though there's a lot of roses. There's a lot of roses. Let's go ahead and grab Canada Day next to it, because Canada Day is on this side of the planner. Independence Day is on this side. Oop, I changed my mind. Maybe this one over here. We'll put that one over there. And then we'll put this one here. I don't want to cover up the girl. Goodness sakes. Ooh, over. All right, and then we have this one to do more red and white. There's little blue, like, glittery stars on this one as well. So we'll do those. We'll do 2 big bows. How about that? I think that is my spread for the month of July. Let me flip back and show you guys June. You can kind of see how it ends up filling out. You can see I just kind of write down Plan With Me, SKD, so that just means Sweet Kawaii Design. And then I move on. Handwriting's not perfect. I'm just kind of jotting things in as they happen, or I look back on it on my like YouTube content, so then I can just go ahead and put that in. Then there was like some things to do. Honestly, it turned into stuff for Etsy. This time I used that bottom sticker, the monthly sticker down here. So that was a little different as well. But there you go. So that was June. So you'll see July when I film August, and it'll get filled up as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!